how to change the engine air filter in Suzuki Grand Vitara 2006. You need the actual filter, and you probably need a vacuum and one of these screwdrivers. It depends on what you have. First step, open up the hood, secure it, then unclip the cover that contains the filter. In Suzuki Grand Vitara 2006 there is 4 and I am missing 1 here. Then unplug the battery. This is how you do it. Unscrew this little screw just to loosen up. Don't take it all the way out, okay? And then you lift the cover and you take out this cover just like that. Don't judge me, it's been years I didn't change this. So it's about time to change this now. Look how dirty it is. This is not healthy at all. I'm happy I'm doing this right now. And I have to clean this up. This is why I have the vacuum. And honestly, this vacuum is not doing much. So I took away as much as I can. And then I used a wipe that is not wet. Just a regular wipe. It's not alcohol, nothing. It's a very dry wipe. So just try to manage to go through all these crevices as much as you can. Like, do your best. And I have to clean this. Look at the difference. This is hilarious. I have to put myself a reminder to change the new one again. So when you place it, you cannot be mistaken. The form of the filter just tells you how to do it. And it sits in place comfortably, and you will feel it by the touch of it. So you put back the cover. You insert it back in the main hose, enough for the cover to sit on the base comfortably, just like that. And you put the clips back on. 1, 2, 3, and you probably have the 4th one. Plug the battery back and it will clip, and then secure the screw. And there you have it. You just changed the engine air filter on your car. If this video helped you in any way, please give it a thumb up and leave a comment so I know that you liked it. Please come back as I will show you how to change the cabin filter in Suzuki Grand Vitara 2006. Bye for now.